Welcome to Code Vedanam. Today we will learn about Object Animator and we will also animate button background color on press using this Object Animator. Let's start with demo. Button background color is changing from blue to red whenever it is clicked. First of all, let's understand what is the need of Object Animator. We can animate translation, scale, alpha and rotation properties of any view using animation class. But suppose if you want to animate color or any int and float value based property like padding, margin, size, etc. In this scenario, Object Animator is used. Now let's see how to use Object Animator. We have a set of static methods in Object Animator class. For color, we have of_argb method. First parameter of this method is target. Target does not mean the view on which we want to start the animation. Target is the instance of class where the setter method for property name is declared. For example, if we are declaring this setter method in our activity class, then we just pass the activity as target using main_activity.this. Second parameter is property name. It is a string value. Suppose if you have given property name as color, you have to declare your method in this way. Like you have to change the first letter of the property name to uppercase and add a set before it. And your method should be public void, and the value passed in this method will be int for the of_argb and of_int method, and will be float if you are using of_float method. And you can set this property to any view object or a collection of objects in this method. And at the last we have to pass values from which value to which value we have to animate using this animator. Method declaration for of_int and of_float value will be like this. Now let's create the animation we saw in the demo. So first of all, add a button with height and width of wrap content and give text as start, and we'll give a id to it, id as ptn button. And now go to main_activity.java file, create a reference for this button, ptn, and now find this button, ptn, find view by id, r.id.ptn. Now create a reference for the object animator. So object animator, and now create the animator equal to object animator dot of_argb, choose the above method and pass this as the target, as we are going to declare this method in this class, activity class only. And property name is color, starting value from blue and ending value to red. You can also pass any intermediate value between these two values in this method. Now we will set a duration of 3 seconds. This duration is milliseconds, so we have to pass 3000 for the 3 seconds. And we will set a linear interpolator, new linear interpolator. Object Animator is supported for version greater than 21 only. So we have to press Alt Enter and create a if condition. So if our version SDK is greater than this, then this animator will be created. Now we have to declare our method. So public void and set, change the first to uppercase, first letter to uppercase, and this method declaration should be like this, and value will be type int because we are using of ARGB method. And now we will set this color to the background color of the button. So btn dot set background color and pass the color here. Now we will set a on click listener to the button so that we can start our animation when the button is clicked. So set on click listener, new on click listener, and start the animator dot start. That's all for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Visit our blog. This is the URL codevedanam.blogspot.com. Hit the like button if you learned something new from this video, and please subscribe to Code Vedanam for further new videos. Thank you.